Hey guys! Hi! This is my roommate. Hi, I'm Cassidy. We're going shopping for a dorm room. We're going to IKEA right now. Yeah. We have stuff in the back that we need to return. We need to get stuff and then we need to go to Costco. Are you okay? I was fixing this. Oh. I told you he's broken. I got her a new one from my car because I didn't bring my car. Oh, nice. Going to IKEA right now. Our last big shopping day for like furniture. Fingers crossed. We're hoping. I feel like we'll just need decor from now on. Yeah. So Home Goods is coming soon. Get ready. We're sitting on an IKEA floor. We've been waiting for like 20 minutes. We still have like 40 people in front of us. Cassidy found this cart and you're gonna run into me and she's gonna roll around on it for our entertainment. In elementary school, did you ever have those little scooters that you would sit on? They're like colored. Yeah, but like
you get your hair caught in it.
Yeah.
You run over your fingers. You play like that shark game.
Yeah. Did you ever do the parachute too?
Yeah, everyone did the parachute.
Parachute was
parents did the parachute.
Yeah. We're old. When we got here, she licked me but also shocked me at the same time while doing it.
I bought an orange juice. She doesn't like orange juice apparently.
She also got a slushie.
Am I too close to your face? Are you uncomfortable?
No. I was trying to find the slushie and show them. Oh, it's right there.
I had to get
my ear. So I found out there's an express line in IKEA and we waited for way longer than we should have. And Cassidy's feeling sick, so she's in the bathroom right now. And I'm just walking around IKEA and I'm like, ooh, like everything's cute. Do I need this? No. Do I want it? Yes. I'm just seeing all these things and I'm like, I want it, I want it, I want more, I want it, but I don't need it. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, it's Keegan, welcome back to my channel. So today is my very first day of college. I thought I'd vlog it. It's actually so loud because the air conditioning is so loud in here. I wonder if my suite mates are in their room. My suite mates control the AC, so I can't like turn it on and off. And like when I film, I want to have it off because it's just so loud. Today's my first day of college. I thought I would vlog that so it'd be super fun. I just went to 2 of my classes because I have 2 back-to-back on Thursdays. I'll tell you guys my schedule later. It's kind of confusing. I really set it up in a really bad way. I shouldn't have done it, but I did. But I just went to 2 classes. First one was a lecture and the second one was like a small class. And I almost fell asleep in both of them. The lecture I did was sociology and like I really liked the teacher so far. I really liked her like interests that she talked about like within sociology. I took like a business class that's like freshman year business kind of thing like that, and that's run by a student, so we'll see how that goes. I was super excited for the lecture. I was like, oh my gosh, in Week of My Life videos I can like vlog the lecture, and then she goes, no cell phones, no video cameras, no audio, and you can't record anything in this class. And I was like, okay. Oh my god, there was someone in there the whole time. She could literally hear me talking. So awkward. I have a huge gap right now, which is super fun. I really screwed up my schedule, but I normally would have like 4 hours before my next class, but I have a meeting at 1 o'clock, so like in 2 hours, because long story, long whole thing. I have that and I'm alone and I want to get lunch, but I have no one to get lunch with because my roommate's gone because she's in her classes. And yeah, this morning I was like, I want to vlog, but my roommate was asleep because her classes are a little bit later than mine. I did some silent like vlogging. Insert footage here. So that was that. I need to take a picture of me because my mom always wants a first day of school outfit. So when my roommate Cassie comes back, I'm gonna make her take it to me. Oh no, I think I just made that worse. There was like something on the camera and then I tried getting it off, but just made it worse. Cool, I'll show you my outfit. I'm just rambling, but whatever, I'm hungry and hyper. Ta-da! This is from Forever 21. This is from American Eagle. These are from Old Navy. And then my necklace is super cute. It's from Princess Polly, and I love. And that's my outfit. There's still someone in our bathroom and I definitely think they can hear me vlog. Oops. Hi, I'm back. I just had my meeting, so I was like walking. It was so hot. My hair is like in this bun that literally has no hair tie. It was just so hot. After my meeting, I decided to walk to my next class, which is my last class of the day. Like I said, I have a huge gap. So I walked to that class just to see where it was, because the one before it, which was in the same building, I got completely lost and so confused, panicking. I need to find a new route from like first class to my second because it took me way too long the way I went. I don't know, I just did, but yeah, I need to figure that out. I'm just getting really excited because I feel like this time will be the perfect time for me to do homework, go to the gym, film, edit, things like that. Like I have this huge gap in between classes that I need to kill time, so, or nap. I might nap a lot. I probably will nap a lot, but yeah, thought I'd update you. Hello. Hi. I just got out of my class and I almost fell asleep.
I'm trying to convince her to go to the gym with me after dinner.
But it's like right after dinner and I'll be full.
Yeah, but then you'll burn off the calories.
But then I'll feel like I'm gonna throw up.
No, don't eat that much.
Maybe I'll go like 20 minutes after the gym.
Alright, that's fine. That's
or like
fine.
after dinner.
We can come back and chill and then go to the gym.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm changing our little quote thingy.
I don't think I showed that. I might have shown them that. I don't know.
Well, you'll see it at some point.
You'll see it soon. Okay.